How to fix IDM in Chrome. So let's get started. If you already added IDM extension into Chrome, you need to configure it correctly. To do this, simply press on the Chrome menu and you can see arrow 1 on the image. Select more tools from the drop down menu and in the menu item arrow 2 on the image and then select extension tab. Then from the arrow 3 on the image, then press details option from arrow 4 on the image for IDM extension. Now, then check the IDM integration module extension is enabled from the arrow 1 on the image. You need to allow extension to read data on all sides from arrow 2 on the image. If you use incognito mode in Chrome, you need to enable allow in incognito. Simply check box by the arrow 3 on the image. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.